Hi, I'm Shelly. I'm a veteran who has been living with ALS for 9 years. This is my friend and nurse Shannon. She is going to be my voice today.
Hi, I volunteer with the I Am ALS Veterans Team. I Am ALS is a community led by people with living experience of ALS that provides critical support and resources to people living with ALS, their caregivers, and loved ones. We empower advocates to raise awareness and lead the revolution against ALS. The Veterans Community Team is one of many teams that I Am ALS. Our goals are to educate veterans with ALS and their loved ones on navigating the VA healthcare and benefits, to raise awareness of the prevalence of ALS among veterans, and to advocate for policies that improve the lives of veterans with ALS and their loved ones. Our team meets weekly to discuss, develop, and collaborate on pressing matters affecting veterans and their families. I look forward to our weekly Zoom calls because we are a fiercely loyal family. We are serious about what we do, yet we don't take ourselves too seriously. We support each other through the tough times and laugh and tease each other during the good times. We've also accomplished some pretty remarkable things. Some of our recent projects include: we've conducted a suicide ideation awareness campaign and provided resources to support veterans in crisis. We are the first community members invited to join the VA ALS executive team. We've written a comprehensive response to VHA Directive 1101.07, the ALS system of care, that includes practical improvements to the delivery of care and services. We've met with the congressional offices to advocate for the Act for ALS and Justice for the ALS Veterans Act. And most recently, we crafted a challenge coin to recognize people who have gone beyond the call of duty to serve veterans living with ALS. New team members are welcome to join us on Mondays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Come and check us out.
Thank you for your kind attention, and thank you to the Les Turner Foundation for hosting today.